everybody, we're on a new journey. So we're exploring, how do you pronounce this? I'm not sure how to pronounce this little creek here. Is Skalkaho, something like that. I'll put a link here, what the name of it is. So it's a small creek here above, a little below Hamilton, Montana. So it's a little side road here. We're exploring it, going to try to do some fishing in it. I'm sure there's a lot of little nice size cutthroat in it. So we're going to explore, see if we can catch something. Awesome. Stream's right down there. Just got to walk down to it. I think we're done with this stream. We drove this road for about 17 miles, followed it. Now the stream just goes back into backwoods here. So I think we got to finish up here, and maybe we'll get a campsite. Maybe not. Maybe there's another stream along the yellow road there that's pretty small, but it has a lot of fish too. So it's only like 5 o'clock. Still got a couple hours left. Maybe I'll do that and then find a campsite. So let's get going. So I found a cool spot to camp. Nice boondocking spot here. It's just one down the road. It's 5 o'clock, so I figured, let me stop. I can cook dinner. I don't have to worry about it and start fishing tomorrow again. I got a nice path here that goes down to the river. We're gonna take a walk down there, but this is our boondocking site. It's pretty cool. It'll do. Let's take a walk. Now this is pretty cool here. I got a couple of nice pockets. Got a nice pool up there. I got some pretty cool little pools over here. Yeah, we gotta try to fish it. Good morning, everybody. We're up here in Lolo National Forest here in Montana. It's September 13th, and it was cold this morning. We're about 5,000 feet up in the air, in altitude here. It was chilly this morning, and we got overcast, so the sun's not out. It's kind of popping through now. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. It's late for me, so I'm not sure if this haze is just from the weather or there's forest fires around somewhere. So I don't know, man. But yesterday we fished this creek here. It was awesome. It is such a beautiful little creek. Caught a lot of nice cutthroat trout out of it. Got a lot of it on film too, which is rare. So we had a good time. So we did this camp. Then we did this camp here. What a beautiful camp here. It's just, I got the river that's probably about 50 feet down. So like I said, we've been fishing this little stream here. I've been using my little 6.5 foot 3-weight rod. It's perfect for this little rivers here. And I've been using a grasshopper. This is my little grasshopper here I tied up. I got a whole bunch of these I tied up. They're working great still. Even though it's mid-September, it's still working good. So we're gonna head down a little further down, maybe another small stream there. We also got, I think it's the west branch of the Rock Creek, and then we're gonna head over to Rock Creek and fish that, and then back into Missoula. So we're gonna end the vlog here. I think that's enough for today. For our fishing. I don't know. If it stays this cold, I'm not getting in the water. So anyway, I'm John. I'm 65. I'm over the hill. So, if you're new to the channel, just watching, smash that subscribe button. Follow my journey. We're having a blast. I live out of my Jeep Cherokee here full time. Been out of this thing for 16 months now. We're having a blast. Just exploring and fishing. So, we'll catch you guys later. We're going to head down the road. And don't forget, never stop listening to rock and roll. Never stop walking. And we'll catch you guys later. Adios.